Taglay mo ang galing na sigurado.
Kahit saan man mapunta, galing mo ay ipapamalas.
Tunay kay tatak, Eugenio.
Kahit subukin
Let's support pillars! Come, let's get closer!
Sabay-sabay pa rin tayong aahon. Dahil kailan may hindi nawawala.
As you can see, the first pillar is scholarship, which means that students and alumni are expected to be intellectual scholars with a desire to positively impact the community. The pillar of leadership stands for the university's aim to produce leaders and change agents. The pillar of character ensures that every member of the university upholds moral and ethical values and shapes us to be responsible and compassionate individuals. Lastly, the pillar of service highlights the university's commitment to the community and the public.
Welcome, Marina, sa kolehiyo ng Arte at Letra!
The College of Arts and Letters offers various programs such as the Bachelor of Performing Arts, where they prepare students in performing arts and particularly in theater. BA Literature, where students are taught to have critical and analytical skills on any literary work. AB English Language develops students in English communication, linguistics, and literary studies. BA Broadcasting, designed to equip students with comprehensive skills and knowledge in radio, television, and digital media production. BA Journalism prepares students for the field of journalism, which includes news writing, reporting, editing, and media management. Lastly, BA Communication, the jack of all trades in the College of Arts and Letters, encompasses all the skills in every department.
Let me tell you something. This is the right place for you. With your passion for animation, photography, literature, design, public engagement, and films, paired with the professional and dedicated efforts of the professors, you should not drop your choice. You will be a great scholar.
Ibang klase ang galing-galing ng Eugenio. Kayang pagmalaki kahit kanino. Taas noo sa kabutihan ng iyong puso. Kahit saan man dalhin ng mundo.
Eugenio, halina't sumabay sa tugtugin ng ating tagumpay.
Being a Eugenio is both an honor and a responsibility. Now, I aspire to be the embodiment of the four pillars, an epitome of courage and determination, all while giving pride to the university. I stand here as a reminder for every student, in or out of the campus, to see the torch of wisdom as a symbol of resilience, that no matter how hard the environment tries to deteriorate its existence, its stance remains, and we shall too.
Because we are Eugenio, an inspiration for every Bicolano.
With strength, resilience, and excellence.
Everyone,
Marhay na pag-abot.
Marhay na pag-abot.
Marhay na pag-abot. Marhay na pag-abot. Marhay na pag-abot.
Marhay na pag-abot sa Bicol University.